Hey, this is the best bakanan. This is the best bak. The house looks really big. Okay, so we're back here again. We're back again one more time in a creepy place. And the first time we came here, we heard a noise. I'm going to show all the footage in the video as well, and a little seed and stuff. We're there already. They have a lot more videos to do still. I cleaned up for you already. I said I cleaned up for you. Alright guys, so we stumbled upon this abandoned house quite a long time ago. And yeah, so today we come in to explore it and see what's inside.
Hopefully you can get far enough.
Yeah, hopefully you can get far enough to go inside. I don't think it's a two-story house, but I don't know
if they have flooring.
Yeah, the second flooring is there. I don't think so, but yeah. Yeah. Hopefully there's nobody inside there, because there's something blocking the path, like somebody actually blocked the path so that nobody will come inside there. The branch that we saw on the floor that I moved, it looked like somebody literally put that there like that. What happened? What happened? What happened?
You don't hear that just me.
I hear. The branch will be rolled back there. Just learn, you can go back and check. You can go back and check, man. The branch will be rolled like that. The branch are rolled, man. The branch are rolled, there's nothing there. Look, there's two suitcases there. There's two suitcases there and a pile of trash. Yeah, soda bottles. And that tree they just recently planted that tree there. I guess that's to try and block the pathway. But these pipes run electricity to the house. Woo! I heard noise. I heard noise. I heard noise.
I heard the noise there.
I heard it, yeah.
Yeah, there's somebody in there.
You think so?
Yeah, or an animal. If he eats me, come and get me.
You good? The bathroom. Looking like a bedroom. So how do you go upstairs? You see inside? You see how inside is? Okay. How full? So the broken glass on the floor. Also somebody drawn the wall in there. Be careful with that lot of glass. There's a pool area right there. The pool's a big pool. That side look like 6 feet. See that deep boy. And there's an upstairs, but I'm not sure how to get there. Down there looks nice. Yeah, you have to go outside.
Oh, we'll go upstairs.
Let me just check over there to see what they have. Yeah, that look like a bedroom, bathroom, and another bedroom, but it has no steps. I wonder why that house abandoned.
And the flooring not too good, huh?
Yeah, you can see it kind of looking like it cracking, like the structure going to fall down. Yeah. Well, I just want to put the seat, not to go there. Because I just welcome. Yeah, but it's outside. And there's a lot of like rubble and stuff. Response alarm. I don't even know the second and the first flooring. See that downstairs. Downstairs to go up. Oh, the flooring there. Wait. What are you making that noise? Yeah, there's the flooring there. No, I don't trust the flooring. You looking like it? Yeah.
Yeah, you can too.
Now you can see if you get another step somewhere.
Yeah. Maybe by the by the road, you can lead into upstairs directly. Yeah. Like bush and thing. Yeah. But they have like steps to go on the first floor. I mean the third floor. They have steps to go there. Yeah. I don't think you can be able to pass that back there. You're a liar, boy. about the is that itching.
So we're back at
The Great House.
the Great House,
Yeah.
which was a restaurant. We didn't know anything about it
Yeah.
the first time we came, so now we telling you what we know. It used to be like no one knows what happened to it, why it closed down. Yeah, if you know, please
Comment down below.
comment down below.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us know. And it was a kind of a restaurant
Restaurant for like high
people-
class people, people with like a lot of money and expensive stuff. I
Yeah.
guess they basically used to like come here. Nobody like was like a regular normal person would be able to come here. That's what we were told. That's what we know now.
Yeah.
So basically in the 2000s, it was a restaurant for like a fine dining, 5-star, all of the high class
And then it just
expensive
closed down.
stuff.
So if you know what happened to it, or
Yeah.
if you used to work there or anything, you can let us know.
Yeah,
I'm not sure if they put it somewhere else or they just closed down and never bothered to open again. And right now we are here with
SMJ,
SJM.
SGM,
The
the
drone
drone flyer.
flyer.
It's basically a YouTuber who the name explains it all.
Yeah.
He flies his drone and he does lots of like drone
Drone footage.
Yeah, so we'll make sure you go check him out. The link will be in the description. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Quantum Files, and yeah.
It's going wrong.
Yeah?
You're not ending.
You see? That's what I was telling you. The first time we came, remember? How I tell you that? That's one that we were saying. It's like some treatment plant. You see, you see like water moving over. You see it? You see the water moving? Yeah. Look like a hotel. Look like a hotel. Watch it. See that one light there? Oh, that's that's smugglers. Smugglers are there. Yeah, smugglers. What's the African smell? Yeah.